My name is Evan Gentile. I'm a senior and I'm studying management and engineering for manufacturing. And some of the work that we do here in the OPIM department is actually teaching students about 3D printing technology, which is an up-and-coming type of manufacturing that uses different materials such as plastic, steel, other polymers, even wood grain to rapid prototype parts with very little waste material. So the printers that are behind me are very complicated, but they do a lot of tasks and make them really easy. So we're able to take computer-aided designs, model them up, put them inside these machines, and print a part that is exactly the same as the model that we created in a virtual environment. 3D printing technology is becoming as commonplace as knowing Microsoft Word, and we can provide those resources for curious students now to do all sorts of things. Some of the things we've managed to 3D print is actually a scale model of the entire School of Business, which I modeled in CAD myself. And we also printed an entire human skull, which was fantastic. It came out great. Not only can we make things that are enjoyable like toys, but functional objects that provide support and backup for a lot of other different things that we work on here in the space.